Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn German language and the topic is articles, definite article, indefinite article and all the cases, rules of cases. Yeah, we have four cases: the nominative case, the accusative case, the dative case and genitive case. So today we are going to learn all the cases, okay? Please subscribe my channel, please like this video if you like. Okay, let's start. First, we will start the table of the. Here we have categories. Firstly, masculine singular, feminine singular, neuter singular, and plural. MS is masculine singular, FS is feminine singular, NS is neuter singular, and PL is plural. So we have four categories and four cases. NC is nominative case, AC is accusative case, DC is dative case, and genitive GC is genitive case. So first we will read all the articles. There, then, them, this, the, there, das, them, this, the, then, there. So guys, in German language we have three genders: masculine, feminine and neuter. And we have four categories: masculine singular, feminine singular, neuter singular and plural. Okay, now the table of A. It's ein, einen, einem, eines, einer, einer, einem, eines. Okay, now let's start the nominative case. So let's start with nominative case. What is the nominative case? German uses the nominative case if the noun is the subject in a sentence, a person or thing doing the action. Example: der man heard music. The man is listening to music. Die Frau liest das Buch. The woman reads the book. So here, their man heard music. Their man, the man. Simple, the man. The man is in the subject position. So their man heard music. Die Frau liest das Buch. The woman reads the book. Das Kind kauft einen Apfel. The child buys an apple. Die Gäste wollen es nicht. The guests don't want it. Okay. Now there is a rule. The nominative case after sein and werden. We always use the nominative case after sein and werden. Note that you also use the nominative case after to be, sein to be, and werden to become. Example: ist ein ist ein interessanter Mann. He is an interesting man. He is an interesting man. Wird ein schöner Tag. It's going to be a nice day. It's going to be a nice day. Here we have ein and ein is for a. Okay, so we are using just a nominative case here, not accusative. Okay, now the accusative case. What is the accusative case? German normally uses the accusative case when the noun is the direct object, I the receiver of the action in the sentence. Der man kauft den Computer. The man buys the computer. Here the man buys the computer. Here we have direct. We have used there, then, them, this. So we have used then. Then is a accusative case of for masculine. Okay. Here are some examples of nouns in the accusative case in use. Der Stuhl. Ich kaufe den Stuhl. I buy the chair. Die CD. Hört die CD. He is listening to the CD. Das Auto. Fährst du das Auto? Are you driving the car? Are you driving the car? Ein Regensch ein Regenschirm. Ich habe einen Regenschirm. I have got an umbrella. Eine Cola. Ich nehme eine Cola. I will take a Coke. So all of you can see here, then, die, das, einen, einer, these are the cases of accusative. Okay, so now some rules of accusative case. The accusative case after preposition. Yes, we use accusative case after some prepositions. You also use the accusative case after certain preposition. The following preposition always take the accusative. These preposition always take accusative, like bis means until, douche means through, few means for, gegen means against or round, ohne means without, and means round. Some example: Wir fahren gerade durch einen Tunnel. We are just driving through a tunnel. Fahren means drive. We are just driving through a tunnel. Arbeitest du für die Firma? Do you work for the company? Ist gegen das Angebot. Ist gegen das Angebot. He is against the offer. So here we can see that we have against means gegen. After that we are using accusative case. So every time if you have these preposition, just after that use the accusative case. Okay, now the dative case. The dative case. What is the dative case? The dative case, it is mainly used for the indirect object, a person or thing to whom or which something is done. Like, der Lehrer gibt der Frau ein Buch. The teacher gives the woman a book. Firstly, we have to notice that the teacher gives the woman a book. We don't know who is the woman. So when you have the connection, line connection in the indirect one, this is an indirect connection. We don't know who is the woman. So the teacher gives the woman a book. It's something is hidden here. Okay, so then we use dative case. Verbs which require dative case. You use the dative case after few verbs. The most important are helfen to help, danken to thank, gehören to belong to, folgen to follow. These are the most important verb. Now some example. Der Mann, ich folge dem Mann. I follow the man. Here we have folge, to follow. So we are using not there, not then, we are using them. So ich folge dem Mann. Die Mutter, das Baby gleicht der Mutter. The baby resembles the mother. The baby resembles the mother. Das Kind, ich danke dem Kind. I am thanking the child. I am thanking the child. So these are some examples, and we have to, if we have these verbs, we have to use dative case. Okay, dative after prepositions. You have the dative also after some preposition. They are aus, from, out of, außer, apart from, bei, at or near, gegenüber, opposite, mit, with or by, nach, after or to, seit, since or for, von, from, zu, to. Now some example. Kommt aus der Türkei. Es kommt aus der Türkei. He is from Turkey. Außer den Meyers sind alle da. Meyers Zind ale da. Except except for the Myers, everybody is here. Ich arbeite bei der Firma Meyer. Ich arbeite bei der Firma Meyer. I work for, in the bracket we have the company Meyer. I work for the company Meyer. Wohnt gegenüber der Kirche. He lives opposite the church. He lives opposite the church. Ich fahre mit dem Auto. I will go by car. Ich fahre, I will go or I drive by car. Nach der Arbeit gehe ich einkaufen. After work, I will go shopping. After work, I will go shopping. Wir fahren zu meiner Freundin. We will go to my girlfriend's. It's like girlfriend house, okay? Now the genitive case. What is the genitive case? The genitive case is used to indicate possession of or ownership. Possession or ownership, like das ist die Tasche meines Vater. That is my father's bag. Again, we have the genitive case after prepositions. There are also certain prepositions which take the genitive case. The most common are trotz, despite, wegen, because, während, during, anstatt, instead of. Now some examples. Das ist die Tasche meines Vaters. That is my father's bag. Das ist das Auto meiner Tante. That is my aunt's car. Auto means car, meiner means my, Tante means aunt. Das ist das Spielzeug meines Baby. Das ist das Spielzeug meines Babys. That is my baby's toy. Das ist die Meinung der Gäste. That is the guest opinion. That is the guest opinion. Okay guys, these are all the rules of nominative, accusative, dative and genitive case. I hope you understand all the things. If you have any question, you can contact me. One thing, if you want to get more notification, more videos you want to learn, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. If you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.